if a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 plus c power 1 by 3 equal to 0, we must show a plus b plus c whole power 3 equal to 27 times abc. So here we consider the left hand side term a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 plus c power 1 by 3 equal to 0. Any one of the left hand side term we bring it to right hand side. A power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3. The last term, if you bring it to right hand side, it can be written as minus c power 1 by 3. Now we cube both the side. Cube both side. So what do we get? A power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 whole power 3 equal to minus c power 1 by 3 into 3. So right hand side we are getting minus c, 3 get cancelled. Left hand side we have power 3 equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We expand this one, we get a power 1 by 3 into 3 plus b power 1 by 3 into 3 plus 3 times a power 1 by 3 into b power 1 by 3 into a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3. This is written by using a plus b whole cube formula. And here we can cancel 3 for power a as well as b. So we can write it as a plus b plus. So here we are getting 3 times a power 1 by 3 into b power 1 by 3 a plus, here we have a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 as minus c power 1 by 3 equal to minus c. Now this minus c we bring it to left hand side. We write it as a plus b plus c according to the question. So here we have written a plus b plus c, and this left hand side term we bring it to right hand side. Minus become plus 3 times a power 1 by 3 into b power 1 by 3 into c power 1 by 3. So here in question we must cube this a plus b plus c. So here we cube this one, cube both the side, we get a plus b plus c whole power 3 equal to 3 power 3, a power 1 by 3 into each and every power should be multiplied with 3. So b power 1 by 3 into 3, c power 1 by 3 into 3. So here we can cancel 3. So 3 power 3 can be written as 27 times a into b into c. Left hand side we have a plus b plus c whole power 3. Hence it is proved. To solve the given question, 3 power 2x minus 10 into 3 power x plus 9 equal to 0. So here 3 power x is there. Here also we can write this one in terms of 3 power. So here what we do, we consider let t equal to 3 power x. So if we square this one, t square can be written as 3 power 2x. So instead of this first term we can write t square minus 10 times 3 power x is nothing but t plus 9 equal to 0. So this is nothing but quadratic equation. So what is the quadratic equation? A x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We can solve the problem using quadratic equation formula or any other method. So here what we do, this one is the product term. If we multiply, we must get 9, and if we add that two numbers, we must get minus 10. So 9 we are getting using 3 into 3, and then 9 into 1. So here I am considering 9 into 1. If we add these two, we get 10. If we multiply, we get 9. So here minus 10 is there, we put the minus symbol for both the term, we get minus 9, minus 1 is minus 10. So here t square minus 1t using this one, then minus 90 plus 9 equal to 0. So this minus 10, t can be written as minus t minus 90 using these two terms. Now we take t common from this one, so t into t minus 1. So here t, 1t is left out, here t is common, so we get 1 here. Similarly here we take 9 common, we take minus 9 common, so that minus 9 into t is there, we get plus t inside, and here plus 9 is there, we get minus 1 equal to 0. So we take t minus 1, both the t minus 1 as common, left out term t is there, here minus 9 is there, so we write it minus 9 equal to 0. So we can consider t minus 1 equal to 0 as well as t minus 9 equal to 0. T is 1, t equal to 9. So these two value we substitute here to get the value of x. So here as considered t as 3 power x. So t is 1 equal to 3 power x. Power should be multiplied with 1 by x, otherwise the second term 9 equal to 3 power x. So here 9 we can write it as 3 square equal to 3 power x. So equating both the power, equate, we get x is equal to 2. Whereas the first term we cannot write it this one in the form of 1 cannot be written in the form of 3 power x, but we can write it as 3 power 0. 3 power 0 is 1 equal to 3 power x. 3 power x. So x is 0. If x is 0, what we get? The given question is substituted here, x equal to 0, we get 3 power 2 into 0 minus 10 into 3 power 0 plus 9. So here 3 power 0 is 1 minus 10 into 3 power 0 is 1 plus 9. So here if we add this one, we get 0. So this one is satisfied. Similarly we can check for x equal to 2 whether it's satisfied or not. So x value is 0 as well as 2. So solve this one. 7 power 3 minus 2x by 7 power 7 minus 5x equal to 49 power 3x minus 14. So here numerator and denominator we have the same base. Right hand side 49 power 3x minus 14 is there. This 49 we write it as 7 power. So simultaneously left hand side we write it this one 7 power 3 minus 2x. If you bring this one 7 minus 5x to the numerator, it becomes minus 7 plus 5x equal to this 49. We can write it as 7 square power 3x minus 14. So we have the law a power m whole power n can be written as a power m into n. So using this one, we can write it as 7 power 2 into 3x minus 2 into 14. So we get 7 power 6x minus 28. Left hand side we get 7 power. So x can be added with the x. So here 5x minus 2x can be written as 3x minus 7 plus 3, or 3 minus 7 we can write it as minus 4. So here both the side we equate the power, right, because base are same. So base are same, we can equate the power. We can write it as 3x minus 4 equal to 6x minus 28. X term write it one side, constant write it one side. So here 6x is the biggest number, so I am keeping as it is. Plus 3x, bring it to right hand side, it become minus 3x. At the same time minus 4, this minus 28, bring it to left hand side, we can write it as plus 28. So 28 minus 4 we can write it as 24 equal to 6x minus 3x is 3x. So this one we can write it as 24 by 3 equal to x. If we cancel this one, we get 8. So x is 8. The above equation given question is satisfied.